In this video, you will learn how to use comparatives in a sentence. This topic is a part of adjectives. As learned earlier, adjectives are words that describe a noun. For example, orange, tall, and dirty are adjectives. Add "r" to a word which ends with "e", such as safe, to compare two nouns. For example, safe becomes safer. If the word ends with a vowel and a consonant, like thin or big, then double the consonant and add "er" to the word. Thin becomes thinner, and big becomes bigger. Let's see how other comparative words are formed. If a word used to compare two nouns ends with "w", like slow or new, then don't double the "w". Just add "er" to the word. Slow becomes slower, and new becomes newer. If a comparative word ends with "y", for example, funny or silly, then change the "y" to "I" and add "er". Funny becomes funnier, and silly becomes sillier. Than is used after comparative words like thinner, slower, and funnier to compare two nouns or groups of nouns. For example, my brother is thinner than you. Or, she is slower than her brother. Or, these acrobats are sillier than the clowns. Now you know how to create comparative words which end with "w" and "y", and how to use "than" to compare nouns.